I missed filming, but they have crews on the side of the road clearing the trees and cutting them up and hauling them away. Wow. Oh wow. Look at here. Oh my goodness. All of them.
I know.
All of them gone. All of them.
And then we wonder why the planet's warming up.
All snapped. Like twigs.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That was terrible to see. Alright guys, so we're coming out of this campground to go to the store, and we wanted to say a few words about this campground. This is Yaya's RV campground, and it's here in southern Georgia by, what's the town?
I think it's Chattahoochee town.
And looking at the campground, some of you might think that that's beneath you, that it looks really bad, but we wanted to tell you that actually this is the best day that we've had since we left.
Yes, yes.
Because there's hardly anybody there. We have plenty of room. There's nobody looking in. the campground host, because this campground got some damage with Michael and things. The area has not come back to its original state yet, and she told us that we can do anything, and short of running around naked, I think.
Yes.
And even Emma can be off the leash because there's nobody, and it's really nice. There are basic showers, basic bathrooms. They're basic, I tell you, yes. But they are there and they work. And we have full hookups for, with Passport America, we're $20 a night.
$20 a night.
$20 a night, come on. It's just, we like it. We wish we could stay longer, but we need to head back. And I forgot one thing. She also has Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
So we're happy.
So we're driving down a backcountry Georgia road to go to Winn-Dixie.
Look at this.
This is how we get to Winn-Dixie in the backwoods of Georgia.
The signs of the hurricane are still present everywhere. Wow. They need some hands here.
Yeah.
They need somebody with chainsaws to come here and do some work, because
Yeah, you can make a lot of money if you were a tree guy.
look at that. Look at that tree.
Yeah.
And so many trees are leaning dangerously. Like they're gonna come down on the next one.
Yeah. You see the trees just splintered right here. Just splintered right off. And unfortunately, it's like there's not a whole lot of fixing up going on that I've really seen. Have you?
No. They cut the basics just to free the roads, pull them to the side, and then they left everything.
All of the roof damage are still, I mean, you see many, many homes with blue tarps over their roof, and Michael went through in October, last October. So
Yeah.
it's kind of weird, huh?
Yeah. I'm not sure if we're going to Martha's house or if we're going to Winn-Dixie here.
Well, we're supposed to be going to Winn-Dixie via
Martha?
Martha's house, yes. So just hold on. We're just checking out some of the rural Georgia. We come up on a hardball. Oh, it says sharp right.
And on to another dirt road. Excellent. Wow. All elevated.
Yeah, right.
My goodness. That was impressive. Oh, Emma. Such a dork. He doesn't even care. And so we're leaving Yaya's RV campground. As nice as it was, we need to head home. But we have very little downtime once we get there because we're preparing for a real nice long trip, guys. So
Yeah.
many travels to come. We won't tell you exactly what, where, when. It's gonna happen shortly after this. Look at all the tarps. My goodness. This many months later. Oh my gosh. Look at that.